Hello. Oh wait, maybe the game sound is too... There, I think you can hear me better now. And by the way, I'm not gonna make videos of any phone game with facecam. I tried and then I had to reinstall my recording software because it didn't work anymore. Not enough gold. Okay, I kind of lag spawned. Ooh, shit. There we go. Scare off Shelly. Okay, he didn't get scared off. I think I'm gonna die. See, Shelly is overpowered against everything against. Let's use Shelly. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Shelly, the first character you get in the game. Do you say character or character? I don't know. Okay. Oh, it's a very far range. But do it from close because then you can do the most damage. Because I don't have that much health. Go hide in the bush. Okay, go back in the bush. Oh my goodness me! Yeah, attack. Okay, 6 people left. 5 people left. Okay, a big fight going on over it. Trying to not cover the place where my phone hears me. I'm pretty sure that's the... If we get first place with a Shelly, I will be impressed. Ow! No! Frank, no! No! Go fourth place. That's the best place I've gotten so far in this video. Right? Let's see, now we got the star key from there. Bounty. Oh yeah. Oh yes. What should we use for this? Let's go for them all. Okay, why do I keep lag spawning that the game like started 3 so spawned? Come on. Come on, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, come on. You come here. I, by the way, just woke up, so... Ah. Help, 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 help. Come back here. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, they're winning with 3 bounty? Are you kidding me? How did... Okay, never mind. Let's go hiding here. By the way, El Primo versus Shelly. Shelly wins. Oh, okay, no one is coming here. Shelly, do you actually know that I'm actually here? Yeah, look, now if Shelly would have used his super attack, I would have been gone, and I was against that guy as well. No. Oh. Ay, 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 ay. Dude. Okay. Ay, 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 ay. No, Shelly. What did I say, Shelly? Oh, come on, I need to hit somebody way more times now. Oh, come on, now I died again. Everybody's overpowered. Okay, try not to put my finger off and launch. Revenge! And I even survived the revenge. Oh boy, this is a total loss. This is a total fail. Wow. 9 to 19. Yeah, we woohoo. Not really. We didn't win. No. Oh. Now my guy is crying. El Primo is here. Again. This further range. Less health, but further range. Or actually, is it more health? I don't know. Ooh. Ow, how did that... Oh, thank you. Thank you, Poco. Oh, Poco. Jeez. Come back here. No. No. He would have got forward. He would have won me. He won anyway. Okay, get him. Poco, shoot him. Get him. Tag. No! That guy knew I was coming. Oh my god. Okay, good thing there's two. I can easily dodge and be very close. Well, I need to be very close as well, so there's really no difference. Look, I'm breaking your important vases. Nope. Well, so far it's a draw, probably, because it wouldn't be a draw if I wouldn't have died many times. Now I died, so now they are leading. Oh no. How come I die all the time and these guys have like way less health than I do and I'm the one who always died? How come that is possible? Okay. El Primo, leave me. Princess person. No, it has the attack ready. Yep. And go. Come on. How did all those hit? I'm actually pretty good at dodging those, but then all three of them hit me. Yeah. No, they're still leading. How that? I hate this guy's attack. I mean special attack. Jump into there and put 3 bombs. Best thing ever. Now we're losing because of it. No. Exit. Maybe not bounty. Maybe let's go for this one. Okay, ricochet. I haven't opened Brawl box today from the shop. I knew I forgot something. Well, I'll do it after this round. Oh! almost dead. No, El Primo. El Primo, leave me. Oh my god. Almost perfect. If Bull loses this Shelly, this guy will kill. Now the Shelly is gonna escape with our 7 thingies. Ow, ow, ow. Oh, I'm immune. Yay. Immune. Okay, come. Ow, ow. How did. What just hit me? You. You're not gonna survive. You're not surviving this. Where are they? Where are they? No, they're right there the whole time. No. Oh, I haven't been getting any gems since I unlocked tickets. Oh, annoying. Let's play a round of haste with Bull. Yes, I want a Brawl. Dark King. Melhammer. Okay, there's a fellow Finland person.